Hello students, welcome back to English grammar class. My name is Abhishek Pratap Singh and today we are going to start one new topic, that is an adverb. Okay, so before starting the topic, let's read the definition so that we can understand that what is an adverb. So an adverb is a word used to modify a verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence. So these are the words which are going to modify verb in a sentence, adjective or another adverb in a sentence, right? So, as you know, the meaning of verb, as we have just learned it in the last classes, okay, that what is verb. And if you talk about adjectives, so adjectives are the word which modifies or which, which tells more about the noun or pronoun. So, similarly, adverb will also going to modify verb, adverb, and the adverbs in a sentence. Now, for example, she writes quickly. Here, the adverb quickly modifies the verb write. So, if we talk about the verb in a sentence, that is writes. And if we talk about the highlighted word, that is quickly, it means that it is telling the way she is writing. So, she is writing like she writes quickly, she writes fast, right? So, it is just telling more about the verb which is writes here. She is extremely quick in writing. Now, if I talk about again the adverb which is highlighted, that is extremely quick, which is telling about his writing manner. So she is extremely quick in writing. Here the adverb extremely modifies an adjective, that is quick. Okay. Now she writes very quickly. Here the adverb very modifies the adverb which is quickly. So she writes. Writes is a verb, and here adverb was like modified by another adverb, that is the first one is the quickly, and that is modified by a verb very, which is also an adverb. Now an adverb also tell us when, where, how, in what manner, or to what extent performed an action is performed. So like how he walked quickly as he was in a hurry. Okay. Now how did he walk? He walked as he was in a hurry. Now, when he reached Mumbai yesterday, so now when we talk about the time, like which when we show the time by the help of the adverb, so he reached Mumbai yesterday. When? Yesterday. Where? Now, where we have to just find out its location. So Tony is playing outside. Okay, if we ask that where is Tony playing, so he is playing outside, or sorry, outdoors, right? He is playing outdoors. So these are the few kinds of adverbs which will going to tell you about the how, when, and where questions. So now students, as we can see that there is a table in front of you all. Now we have to understand this table which is full of adverbs. So when we have a question with how, so we can get answers as adverbs are like easily. How is your things going on? You can say easily, okay, by just adding an adverb. Okay, happily, loudly, quickly, quietly, reluctantly, sadly, silently, slowly. Now, how often? Like when we just have to know, like about the number of times things are happening. Like, suppose if you have to know that how often you go to school, like you say always, every day, frequently. How often do you visit that place? You say never, often. Once, seldom, sometimes, or twice, like this, you can use words. And when we have to know the timing of anything, and then in that sense, the adverbs you can get that, suppose, when will you come here? You can say that after this lockdown, before the lockdown, already, early, now, since, soon, today, yesterday. And now, students, when we have to get the answers from a question where, when we need to know the locations of different thing, so we can use adverbs like away, here, everywhere, home, inside, near, outside, southward, and there. Okay, so these are the few words. I mean the few tables, like few examples of adverbs given here. So like and they're listed on the basis of question they answer. So students, you can just read it once or twice, okay, so that you can understand it in a more better way. And this is all for this class. We will just cover the next part of adverbs in our next class. Till that time, please watch this video carefully and do not forget to comment your name, class and section after watching this video for your attendance. So thank you so much students.